our cooking class. Would you like to cook with us? Great! Today we are going to teach you how to make a delicious chocolate chip cookie. You are going to love it. Call your family and friends to cook with us. Are you ready? Well then, let's start! First, let's take a look at the ingredients. 140 grams of unsalted butter, melted. Half cup of sugar. Half cup of brown sugar. 1 egg. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. 1½ cups of flour. Half tablespoon of salt. 160 grams of chopped chocolate. Now that you know the ingredients, let's check the utensils that we will need to make the cookies. A baking pan, a wooden spoon, and a bowl. Now that we have seen all the ingredients and the utensils, it's time to start. In a big bowl, mix the melted butter, both kinds of sugar, the egg, the vanilla essence, and then add the flour little by little, and then the salt. Finally, add the chopped chocolate. 1, 2, 3, go! Spoon the mixture onto the baking pan with a teaspoon, one at a time with intervals. Don't forget the cookie will spread while baking. Preheat the oven. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes until they are golden brown. Okay, let's go! Ready. Let's try them, shall we? Delicious! Did you like the recipe? Leave a comment below and tell us who would you like to invite to make this delicious recipe with you. Follow us to get notified whenever we have any new episodes. Enjoy your cookie!